And it's another day, another low for the falling rupee. This time it breached the 65 mark to make an all-time low at around 65.60 on the lower side. We of course saw a turnaround coming in, and the rupee has closed nearly a rupee up from the kind of lows that we saw, even as RBI tried to intervene earlier in the market today. Neeraj Gambhir of Nomura Capital says that the rupee movement is volatile and unwarranted, but the rupee, or rather the RBI intervention alone, will not stabilize the currency.
I think a lot of this volatility is not just the domestic factors, but also the fact that the dollar has been extremely strong in emerging currencies, and we are seeing a similar sort of behavior, maybe a little less pronounced in case of currencies like Indonesia, Malaysia. I do expect that as the tapering starts, some of the reaction that has already been built into the market sort of gives way to more sensible thought process around what should happen to these economies. I don't personally expect the rupee to go to 70 in a very short period of time. I do feel that Reserve Bank will try and intervene and sort of try and slow the pace of depreciation of the currency.
Let's also get in then Vijay Bhamwani, who's author and CEO BSPL India. Vijay, what's your sense coming in for the currency now? Because while we did see a 65.5, but we have come back nearly a rupee from those levels.
Manisha, my stand has been vindicated. I've been advocating shorting the dollar since the last couple of trading sessions, and I did mention shorting at 65, 66 levels and holding a stop at slightly above 66 mark. The kind of appreciation in the rupee in the latter half of the session basically talks about how there is a lack of conviction in buying the USD at the current levels. I'm not yet saying that this is a total trend reversal, because the long dollar short rupee trade is not dead yet, but there is a very fair probability that the short-term top is in place, and the kind of volatility that you're seeing is the indication of a minor short-term top being made. So there is likely to be a technical correction, and the levels that I talked about, 62, 62.5 levels, are a fair probability. So you should be seeking short selling opportunities on the dollar at higher levels rather than basically attempting to buy, because my guess is the risk reward ratio in the absolute near term does not warrant going long on the dollar.